Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you how to set up the easy project app inside your sub account. So let's get started. Once you search for the app at the level of app marketplace, you go at install and then allow and install. The next step is to provide all the keys. So from here, you paste them, you continue, and you have success, which means the tool is already connected. In order to access the app, first of all, make sure that you refresh the page. Here we are. So we scroll down. There you go. You go on easy project. Perfect. So this is the new interface. Like you have documentation. If you go at view, you the different steps that you're supposed to follow in order to set up the app. At the level of tutorials, you have the SmartCue guide that's going to show you how to get all the credentials. And here you have the setup video. And finally, this setup, which indicates you the status of the app. That's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.